To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to crop. Let's begin by making sure your video clip is selected on the timeline, and then select the crop tool. Now, if you want to keep the original proportions of your video, you're only going to want to drag the corner handles. Then press apply to crop your video in the frame. Alright, this works great, but I'm going to undo this to show you what happens when you drag the crop side handles instead. Now, if I only drag my crop side handles, and then hit apply, it's going to leave some black bars on the side of my video so that my video doesn't get stretched out. We can make this look better though by blurring the edges of our background. Go over to Import, and from the media bin, drag a new copy of your video after the other one on your timeline. Then drag your first clip up onto the track above to overlay your crop video on your new copy. Now make sure your bottom video clip is selected, and click the More button. Select Highlight and Conceal from the side menu. In here, select the drop button to add blur to your video. Then increase the opacity all the way to 100% to maximize the blur. And I'll just drag my rectangle's handles inward to make my square smaller so that most of the video is blurred. Okay, and now when I play this back, I have a nice looking edge blur instead of plain black bars. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.